Brad Williams, XL Prime. We're going to count IDs at the second digit equals, well, the first example is 5, but there's a total of 4 different examples. Using the MID function. The MID function allows us to strip out data and then sum up from that point forward. The arrangement here, it's pretty straightforward. We have a list here. We're going to take this list. We're going to strip everything but our predefined MID definition. Here's how it looks. The MID function, it keeps whatever we define in our function. Here we just have B5, which is our text, which is the list. We have a start number, 2. We want to keep one number. We want to get rid of everything else. We just want to keep one number. From there, if it equals 5, SUMPRODUCT is going to add its expression. Here, we just have this information in our list. Hit F9. 6, we start in character 2. We strip everything else. Go down cell by cell, and here is the text. We're stripping all this. Now it's a text. We have to use the unary. Why? Because SUMPRODUCT can't count text. We're probably going to get a bunch of 1s and 0s because we have this explicit equals 5. You just grab this right here, grab this array. SUMPRODUCT is just going to go 1 times 0, 1 times 1. Just going to sum them up. Over here on your right is the narrative I just discussed. Now, wait a minute. Whoa, what's going on here? Same thing. We're using MID. What do we want? We start at the 4th character. 4th character, we're keeping 2. Doing the exact same thing. Has to equal 67. This 3rd example, same thing as our first example. And then here is the exact same thing. If you're not comfortable or you've seen MID in a long time, fool around with it. You can incorporate left in this. You can include right in any combination, but you get the point. You can use SUMPRODUCT and MID to parse out specific data and then sum them up. Brad Williams, XL Prime, thanks for watching.